Hi guys! Today I would like to talk about home securities. I want to talk about the camera system that I decided to purchase for my home that was right for me. When I started looking online for what kind of camera system should I purchase, I was really overwhelmed. And I'm sure many of you who are looking to purchase one are also feeling overwhelmed because there are so many different options. It's not that one option is necessarily better than the other. I think the best question is, which option is best for me? You can see on my TV here, I hooked up the security system to the HDMI 2 because you can hook it up to your TV and you just click on that and you can instantly see all the different areas that are protected. One of the other options that I really liked about this system is that I have the ability to add more cameras if I want more cameras. I believe this one, the system holds 8 cameras total. Currently I have 4, but if I want to add more in different areas, I can do that also. I am instantly able to see in real time what is happening on all of my cameras. And I can also have sound, so I can hear what's going on, and it picks up pretty well. The sound, you can hear everything. And I also have downloaded the application on my phone, so if I'm away from home and I want to see what's happening, I can just go ahead and look it up on my phone. Not only can you see in real time, but you can also see the history. It will record only when there's movement, when it detects motion around the house in the parameters that you set it up. So if you have an area that is, you have a tree, a big tree, and if it's very windy, it will record the constant motion of that tree. So you can go into the system and you can block that area from recording. And right here, I'm showing you the box. I'm not quite sure how you call that. I think it's a server or a box. But that's where I connect all my cameras. So you can see right here, that's where all my cameras are currently plugged in. And you can see there are 4 additional slots for 4 additional cameras if I want to. I go ahead and put the connection right here. And then I connect it to my HDMI on my television. And of course you connect this right into your router. This contains 1 terabyte. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, please go ahead and subscribe, share it with some of your friends that you are aware they are looking for a camera system. And thank you so much for watching my channel.